Andrew Holness for me, nobody could say anything about it. But what I'm seeing at me now, a PNP me a vote for.
Oh, thank you. PNP
me a vote for. No,
making the right decision.
Nobody could talk about Labour. Let me hear me always a quarrel with them. Now, a PNP me a vote.
I want to meet Mr. Bowling.
No, I want to meet him.
Whole ballon, man.
A PNP me a vote for.
So my people, when they hear what a woman they say, she can't bother with the Labour Party no more. Yes, man say, she has switched to PNP. People, when they hear that, Judge no star. Things hard. Yeah, me say people. So right now people, but we hear Mark Golden officer. Yeah man, like we hear Mark Golden officer.
Principle and with integrity.
I understand you have visited or will be visiting some schools. Any comments on what is happening now?
Yeah, well, I must say, I don't like the way that the finance minister has been bullying the police and the teachers, telling them that if they don't sign to what is there on the table now, they're going to lose their back money for years and won't get paid for years. That's not the way to conduct respectful negotiations with public servants. No. And there are things that can be done. The money's in the budget for this year to cover the back pay. Pay that into escrow, expense it this year, so that next year when we settle and we'll agree, hopefully we reach a good agreement, money can be paid then without even going through next year's budget. So there's no point bullying the people and telling them that they have to sign now. People they have concerns, they have legitimate concerns, there are uncertainties. They need to feel that what they're signing to make sense. It's a huge change that is being implemented in the public sector wage system, and people must understand what they're buying into, and some of the things have not been clear and some of the things are not been fair, and that's the problem. They need to sort out aspects of which are unfair, make sure there's equity in the system so people are comfortable to sign on to.